To make an origami bird, first we're going to fold the square sheet of paper in half diagonally like this. Next we're going to open up the unit and fold this side to the center crease over here. Repeat the same thing on the left side. Next, we're going to take this top triangle over here and fold it back like this. And once we've done that, the back should look like this. Next, we're going to take this top side over here and fold it to the center crease over here. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Unfold the creases we just made. And now we're going to take this crease over here and we're going to reverse it. So what that means is it's folded this way right now and we want it to go in the opposite direction. So to do that, we're going to just pinch along this crease over here that I highlighted in pencil and make it so that it's folded the other way. Next, I'm going to hold on to that part again, push this side inwards, reversing this crease, and then push down. If you've done it correctly, you will see that there should be a triangle protruding like this. What we want to do is we want to flatten this, just like that. And so the side view looks like this, and the front view should look like this. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. So again, we're going to reverse this crease over here, push this inwards, and then flatten. And it should look like this from the bottom. Now we're going to take this side over here and give it a little twist in the opposite direction before flattening it. And this creates the leg of the bird. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Next, take the entire unit and fold it in half along this long center crease over here. This is the bird's head and this is the bird's tail. To make the head, we're going to have it facing towards us. And then we're going to take the tip over here and push it down. Once we've done that, we're going to pinch like this before flattening it with our other hand right here. So from the front, it should look like the letter M. From the top, it should look like this. And this is the side view. To form the tail, we're going to have this bottom side over here aligned with this side over here. So we're going to fold it over, just like this, and then crease it in. Unfold, and now we're going to create another crease that is around right here, right next to this first crease that we just made. So we're going to fold along here, align it with the side and the bottom, and crease it in. Unfold, and with the tail facing towards us, we're going to push inward along the first crease that we just made, flatten, so that it looks like this. And then we're going to pinch the tail like this and gently push it inwards along the center crease before flattening it from the side. So the back should look like this. The bottom view and the side view. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other free tutorials too. Happy folding!